Okay. So can you see the screen? Yeah. Okay. So we go to custom slide size, then customize what slide size. All right.
Ah,
So we want to change the width to 25.4 centimeters. It is already 25.4 centimeters. And we also want to change, no, the width is 19.05, 19.05, and the height in this case is 25.4, 25.4 centimeters. Okay. And an orientation of the notes.
orientation.
So you need to go to the orientation of the notes handout and outline to be what? Landscape. Then you select this radio button. Are we okay on this point?
Yeah.
Are we? So anytime you want to change the size, the page setup out of your slide, you go to design, you come to customize, then you select custom, then you make all the necessary changes. And they are saying ensure the content fits the new slide size. So once you hit on OK, we have ensure fit and maximize. So we say that ensure fit. Boom. And now you can see the change. Are we okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And let's continue. Use the new window to open the current presentation in a new window and use the Arrange All tool to see all the open presentations. So you're going to use the new window to open the current presentation in a new window and use the Arrange All tool to see all the open presentation. So it's the same presentation, but we are opening it in a new window to see two separate versions, not opening two files at the same time, but it's the same presentation, but you're looking at it in two separate windows. So how do we do that? We want to open it in a new window. Where do we go? Where do we click?
Do we go to, let me see, variant we go to file first.
No, I don't think it's on the file.
Wait, let's go back. View. Let's go to view.
View. So now you get it now.
Let's go to view.
So we have the window group, right?
Yeah.
So we have new window. So once you click on new window, it opens the presentation again. Then we go back to view again, and we use the what? Arrange all. So you can see all of them at once, right? Arrange all. It's arranged. So it's the same presentation, but you have it open in two separate windows. So you can just be comparing one slide to the other instead of just scrolling through one after the other. Are we okay with that?
No, I'm not.
Okay. So what we are doing here is we are trying to compare slides, right?
Okay.
And if you are comparing slides and you only have one window for your comparison, as I move from slide 1 to slide 2, I don't see slide 1.
Yes.
As I move to slide 3, I won't see slide 2.
Okay.
But if I open a new window with the same content, okay, I'll be able to look at the same slide and compare different slides. Give me a second. A call is coming through. 1 minute. Hello. Hello. Sorry about that. Do you all understand?
No, go ahead. You were explaining something.
Yes. So once you open in a new window, it's the same content, but you are able to more or less compare. So if I'm comparing what's on slide 2 with the others, I'll be able to have slide 2 open on my right and go to slide 3 without losing sight of what slide 2. Are we okay?
Okay, so how was it? I saw you going to view, right?
So when you go to view, let me close this. So when you go to view, then you say new window within the window group.
I think
Are we okay?
it will be. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
I think okay. I wanted to say that it would be nice if we can take Kelechi back to the question so that she understands.
Yes.
The question we are trying to.
So this is the question.
Oh.
Okay.
Use the new window to open the current presentation in a new window, and use the arrange all tool to see all the open presentation.
Okay.
Are you okay?
Yes.
So it is the same presentation. If I'm working on it, I want to have slide 2 inside. Once I compare it to slide 3, slide 4, and 5. But as I do that, I lose sight of slide 2.
Okay.
So this is where the new window comes in. You want to view it. So you go to the view tab, you hit on what? New window. Are we okay?
Okay.
So once I hit on new window, it opens the slide for me. Now I have 2 slides. So I'll need to make sure I position it well so that I can arrange it. Yeah. So I'll go to within the window group again, then I'll say what? Arrange all. So that way it is the same presentation, but looking at it in 2 different windows. Are we okay?
Okay, arrange. Is it arrange?
Yes, arrange all.
Is it under view?
Yes, it's under view within the window group.
Window.
Under view, we have the window group. You see new window, arrange all.
Okay, I see.
Are we okay now?
But mine gave like multiple screens.
Yes. So yes, how many PowerPoint presentations do you have? You need to open one PowerPoint presentation. You create a new window, then arrange all. Then it gives you 2 screens.
And it gave me like, you know how many screens it gave me? It gave me 1, 2, 5.
5. Wow. Which version are you using? 2010, 2016?
2010. Yeah, it's tomorrow. Maybe later today I'll take it out.
Okay. Are you okay with that?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's move on to the next question.
Sure.
Continue. Okay, so our next question, save the entire presentation as a PDF. So we're going to use our knowledge from our previous Word and Excel practice exercises. So how do we save this as a PDF? Where do we click? Where do we go?
Okay, I think you go to File and then you go to Export.
So we go to File, we go to Export. Then we export this as a what? PDF. And we are saving it in our Geometrics template folder. And the name is PowerPoint 01. Make sure the open file after publishing is on check. So you can see that it is on check here. Are we okay? Now, once you click on publish, you get your PDF, but it won't open for you to see. Are we okay? Good.
Yes.
Okay.
So make sure what is unchecked. Don't be angry. Is it the PowerPoint presentation?
Open file after publishing is unchecked. The open file after. Come again.
Where would I find that?
So when you go to file, when you go to export, create PDF.
Yes.
Before you click on publish, here, open file after publishing. Yeah, it's unchecked. Okay. Are you okay with that?
I don't have that.
You don't have that because of the version. No, I'm just going back to explain to her, Babatope, don't worry.
Okay, no problem. I'll have to maybe later today or tomorrow.
Okay. Now they want us to save slide 2 in the presentation as a JPEG image named slide 2. So how do you save this slide as an image? What do we do? Where do we go?
Slide 2. Go to
Yes.
File.
We go to File.
Do we have Save As there? Save As.
Save As.
Where is it? Okay. PowerPoint 01. I think we'll change the name there. And we'll change the name to the name we're asked to save. Slide 2, right?
2. Yes.
Okay. Then we go to the next box. Open it, and select JPEG.
JPEG.
Look for JPEG. Okay. And we are good. Save.
I will save. Okay. Let's see if you get it right. So, which slide do you want to export? All slides or just this one? So, before you do this, you select slide 2. Okay.
Okay.
Are you okay? You select slide 2. Save as slide 2. And the save as option is what? JPEG. Then I'll click on save. Then I'll say just this one. And it will save slide 2 as a JPEG. Okay. Are we okay?
Yeah.
But what they are suggesting, this is right. The process we did is right, but they want us to use a different process. So I'm going to show you that. 1 minute. A call is coming through.
No, Mama. Princess. Hello?
Hello, sorry. So we go to File, okay. We come to Export. Then we have Change File Type. Then we come to JPEG. Then we say Save. Slide 2.
Okay.
Save. Then you say just this one. So whichever process you use, you still get it right. But I don't know why they don't want us to get that. Are you okay with this?
It's okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
I don't know why the system is marking us down, but that is the process. So in slide... So in slide 2, there is some noise in the background.
I think, Tola is trying to say something, but our background is a little bit noisy at the same time. I think maybe what she's trying to say is that dialogue box that kept popping out that, save as image is incorrect. Would you like to try again?
Yes, I'm saying that is the correct process. So I don't know why the system keeps flagging that up. So we've got two processes. The one we followed by your instruction, then the other one was by export, which will still give us the result. Okay. Okay. So in slide 2, apply the fill orange accent 2, outline accent 2 style to the word at introduction. Okay. So in slide 2, we are here and we need to apply this to the word at introduction. So how do we go about this? What do we do?
Okay, in slide 2, apply the fill orange accent to outline accent style. Okay, where do we go? Let me see that. From insert design transition.
I think we'll go to view, right? And then color. You highlight and then go to view.
We go to view. We are applying word at.
I don't think it's view. I don't think it's view. Should we still stay at design?
Yes.
Let's see. It's like we want to edit. Basically, what we want to do now is like we want to edit this outline view.
Figure it out.
I'm trying to slide that. Okay, let's click on presentation view.
Come again.
This notes. No. It's not notes page. It's not region. It's not. We want to edit this thing. I'm trying to look at it and format.
But this one, does it work like the other one? Like drawing, the drawing tools, right? Does it work like it was working in Word? Like once you highlight something, then you see those. When you get the word.
Is it a floating
tabs that could appear?
No, this is quite different, but it's still the same principle. So this is the shape. I
highlighted mine.
This is the shape format.
I'm seeing drawing tools now.
Drawing tool.
Drawing tools.
Drawing tool. Oh, okay, but do you have text in there? Do you have any text in there?
Can we go to shape field?
Yes, shape you have field. Text. There's text. Yeah. Word art style.
Yes. Let's open
word art style. Have you seen word art style? Because they said to the word art introduction.
Art yeah.
Word art style. So we need what? Fill.
We open the
quick styles, right?
Yeah.
So you're looking for fill, orange accent 2, outline. That is it. Are you okay? So this is the word art style that we are looking for.
Okay.
That's
because
it.
On mine, it's just formats, like the format tab.
Okay. But this is shape format.
Yes. I need to really upgrade again. Yeah.
That is it. Are we okay?
Yes.
On slide 4, reset the picture and then crop the picture to a shape named round diagonal corner rectangle. So this slide 1, 2, 3, 4. So they want us to reset the picture. So if you want to reset a picture, what do you do?
To reset it. Picture format.
Okay, picture format. Good. So where do I go to do that reset?
You go to arrange, right? Picture.
Arrange.
Adjust.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Where's
Adjust.
I'm not seeing picture format here?
Picture format tab. It
Okay,
comes after the
okay.
help.
Okay, I've seen it.
Go to adjust.
I go to where?
I think you want to reset the picture and then
Yes,
crop the picture.
we want to
Let's
reset the
look at
picture.
the question again. Reset the
So take-
picture and then crop the picture to the shape.
That is it.
Name
So
run
let's
diagram.
yes.
Two things.
Let us first. Yes, let us first of all look at resetting the picture.
Yes.
Okay.
First.
Okay, so to reset it, I think you adjust it and then you go to the crop, to the size. Sorry, what was that thing you call again?
Reset. The question here is reset. So look for reset.
Reset.
I believe you are using your laptop. So insert a picture, go to the picture format tab and look for a reset and tell me where that reset is.
Okay, wait, let me just quickly insert the picture.
Can't we? Well,
I'm listening.
no, I can't see picture reset here. So I'm thinking maybe we open this.
But have you opened PowerPoint on your system? Have you inserted a picture?
No, I'm just looking at. I'm actually
like size. This size. What do you call that?
So within the
I'm saying it's adjust now. It's adjust now. Then reset
so
picture.
within the adjust group, we have what? The reset picture button.
It's adjust.
So once you click on it, boom, reset. Now the picture has come back to its normal position. And now we need to crop it to a shape named round diagonal corner rectangle. Where do we go to do that?
Is it the size group?
Yeah. So within the size group, we have what? Crop.
Mm-hmm.
And we are cropping to a shape. And the shape is named round diagonal. Yes, crop to shape. So round diagonal rectangle. So within the rectangle sections, I'll need to look for what? Round diagonal. So
that's
rounded.
Second one.
That is the second one. Bam. Done.
Well, they didn't write diagonal.
No,
they just said
rounded.
Yes, but that is it.
Just this rounded corners. Let's look at the others now.
Rounded corners. The others don't have rounded corners if you look at it with your eye.
Diagonal. I thought it said diagonal.
Yes, diagonal corners rounded. Yeah, that's true. Round diagonal corner rectangle. Rounded. Yes. So that's the last one. Yes. So diagonal corners rounded. All done. Okay. So that is that, right?
Yes.
Okay. So we got it right. So you see the beauty of this. It helps you to explore the interface better. Change the view to slide sorter and change the zoom to 200%. So how do we change the view to slide sorter and the view to 200%?
Is it of the picture?
The view of the slide. Change the
slide.
The view to slide view. Okay. So we go to view.
We see.
I
think slide sorter is somewhere there.
Yeah. So within the presentation views, we have slide sorter.
Yeah.
Now we need to zoom in to what? 200%.
200%. Yeah.
So what do we do?
We click on zoom.
Come again.
We click on zoom.
Just go to the zoom group.
Okay. So we go to the zoom group, then you hit on zoom, then we zoom to what? 200%. Boom. That's it. Are we okay?
Mm-hmm.
So that's slide sorter. Well done. So now we continue. Set up a slideshow for this presentation so that it can be browsed by an individual and will loop continuously until the escape key is hit. Accept all other default settings. Set up a slideshow for this presentation so that it can be browsed by an individual and will loop continuously until the escape key is hit.
So you go to slideshow and set up.
Slide what?
Slideshow.
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 Set up.
So where is it? Setup. So set up what? Slideshow. So once you set it up, and you want it to loop, right? Until escape is what? Is hit. So loop continuously until escape. Are we okay with this?
Then under show type, we click on browse by an individual, right?
No. We accept all defaults. Okay, yes, browse by an individual. Yes.
So it says browse by individual.
Yes,
by an
that
individual.
is it. Browse by an individual and loop continuously until what? Escape. Are we okay?
Yeah.
So now I hit on OK. Boom. That's it. Moving on to the next.
Sorry, where is the loop continuously until escape? Okay, loop, not look.
Have you seen it? Loop.
Yeah, loop. Okay.
So browse by an individual, loop continuously until what? Escape key is hit. Then you hit on what? Okay. That's it. Now continue. Now let's move on. Create a custom slideshow with only the slide practice reading and the slide practice reading questions. So when we do this presentation, we only want to see practice reading and practice reading question. So when we start a presentation, we don't want to see the first three. We just want to go straight to the last two. So how do we create a custom slideshow?
Then we still go to slideshow.
Yes.
Let's click it.
I am at slideshow now.
Please click it. I'm not with my laptop. Click slideshow.
I'm at slideshow.
Custom.
Okay.
You see under start slideshow. You see custom slideshow.
Custom slideshow.
Yeah.
Then you go to what? Custom shows.
Custom shows.
Then you select new. So you only want to see practice reading and practice reading questions. You add it. Now you hit on OK. Right?
And
they did not even ask us to give it a name. So just leave it as it is. Okay?
Yeah.
Close. Done. Next. Yes. Find all of the occurrences of the word reading and correct them to reading. Yes.
I think it's I think you find.
Come again. Fine. So where will I get that?
In home.
Home.
Under editing. Editing group. Home under editing group.
Home under editing group. Okay. So home. Then within the editing group, we have what? Find and what? Replace. Correct? So what are we looking for?
Reading.
And we replace it with what? Reading.
Reading.
Yeah. Now replace all. Boom. Done. So just as we did in Microsoft Word, you can do the same in Microsoft Excel. So it's the same principle. Okay?
Sorry, I didn't get that. Okay, we have moved.
Are you okay?
I missed that last question.
Come again.
I said I missed that last question.
So you are finding occurrences of a word and replacing it
Okay.
with another word.
Okay.
So you go to the home tab, you go to the editing group, then you have your word, find and what? Replace.
Okay.
So what are you looking for? I'm looking for reading and I'm reading. And we've done that already. So, and replacing it with reading. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, good. Start the slideshow from the beginning. Then on slide 5, use the highlighter with red ink and underline the first question. Save all annotations. Okay. So you are presenting your slides. Then you need to annotate. So how do we start a slideshow from the beginning? Yes.
Yes. Join it together.
Come again.
We go to slideshow.
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 And go to slideshow group. Start slideshow group. We go to from beginning.
From beginning. Good.
Yeah.
So we go through till we underline what? The first question, right?
What do you recall? Yeah.
What do you recall? So we need to use a red highlighter. So once you look at your slide, we have the highlighter options here.
Okay.
Highlighter. And we need to change the color.
Is it on this old version?
Yeah, it should be. It should be. Then we select red, right? So what do you recall? So once I finish, yes.
I'm not seeing it on this.
That looks like pen.
Yes.
I'm not seeing it on mine.
And then probably it's not on Windows 10.
That we use to fill the entire word or sentence with a color.
No, it's different it's different in Microsoft Word and it's different in Microsoft Excel. But in PowerPoint, when you are presenting, you can use highlighters to make annotations on your slide. Okay?
To underline.
Yes, underline the first question. So you need to click and drag to underline it.
Okay.
In presentation.
It's not on this one. It's not on this.
It's not on yours. Okay, that's fine. Are we okay? Are we okay?
Yes.
Hello?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I've seen somebody during the presentation use an external highlighter device.
External highlighter device.
Yes, like a pen.
Pen.
Yes, during a slideshow to like.
Yes, so within a slideshow, yes, you can select the highlighter color, then you just use it.
Yes, with like a stylus. What do you call
that?
Stylus.
Yes, you can use a stylus, just like the mouse.
That's on the screen. On the screen.
Yeah. Is it okay?
Have we saved now?
Hello?
Have we saved this now?
Yes, it's been saved.
Okay.
On slide 2, insert a clustered column chart inside the empty text box. Resize the chart data range to include only 2 categories and 2 series. Rename the categories student and adult. Name the series can read and can't read. Insert the data from the text box on slide 2, called reading statistics. So they said on slide 2, we are to insert a clustered column chart. So now I'm on slide 2.
Go to insert.
Okay. Insert. Mm-hmm.
So clustered column chart.
Yes.
Let me see. Image.
So you see, within the illustrations group, we have what? Chat.
Okay, yeah, chat. Yeah.
And I want you to also pay attention to this side, the placeholder. So there is another button for insert chat here. So you don't need to go all the way to the insert tab. You can actually click here to insert it. Are we okay?
Wait, you said, okay.
You can go to insert and click on insert chat, and there is a placeholder here where you can just click on insert chat. You can insert a table, you can insert a video, you can insert a picture, you can insert a smart art graphic, and you can insert cameo. So we want to insert a chat. I'll click on insert chat. And they said what? Clustered column, right? So this is my what? Clustered column. I'll hit on OK. And it should be inserted. Now it opens in Excel. It opens in Excel at a minute. So let's look at the question. Resize the chart data range to include only 2 categories, right?
And 2 series.
Rename the categories student and what? Adult. So this is the category, right? Category 1, student, adult. And name the series. Can read. Then can't read. Right? Are you following?
Yeah.
But we are to resize it, right? So if I click on the chart now, this is it. And if you look at what we have, the can read here is 80 for students, right? So I'll type 80. The can't read is what? 20. I'll type 20. Then the adults can read from the slide is 65, and those that can't read is what? 35. Are we okay? But what is happening here? We have category 3, category 4. We don't want that in the chat. So you come to this bottom left corner, then you click and you drag inside just to cover up to what? Adult and student, like that. Are we okay?
Okay.
So that we don't see the category 3 and 4 in it. Are we okay?
Sorry, come again.
So what I'm saying is it was like this. It was like this. So it was capturing student, adult, category 3, category 4. But we don't want to include category 3, category 4, and series 3 in our chat. So at the bottom right corner, we have this small blue, icon, right? And you can click on this and take it all the way up to this. Are we okay with that? Are we okay? Hello?
Yes.
Is it the chart that you're adjusting?
Yeah, it's the chart that we are adjusting. Because we don't want these to appear within the chat. Are we okay? Or you want me to take it again?
Yes.
We are to resize the chart.
Resize the chart. Let me take it again. So we're going to slide 2, right?
Okay.
And slide 2, we need to insert what? A chart that represents the reading statistics for students and adults.
Yes.
But we need to use the clustered column chart. Am I making some sense here?
Yes.
Yeah.
So I go over to this, okay? Then we have what? Clustered what? Column, which is this. Then I'll hit on what? Okay. So this opens this up for me. So you let me just resize it. Now you can see how it's been highlighted.
Yes.
Now I can just resize to what? 2 categories like this.
Are you saying resize or like highlight?
Resize.
Yeah, resize and dragging in to capture the data set. Okay.
Like you just resize it, right? Like you just highlight it.
Yes, you click on the buttons, then you drag in for the system to highlight the data range that we are using for our chart. Okay. So we don't want to include series 3, category 3, category 4. Mm-hmm. Okay. And the category 1, we are to type what? Students, right? And the category 2, we are to type adults. Then series 1, I'll go to what? Can read. Then series 2, can't read, right? Mm-hmm. So if I check on the chart, the can read for students is 80. And the can't read is what? 20. For the adult, the can read is what? 65. And the can't read is what? 35. Bam. So once I finish, I'll close it. Now we have our charts. So can read and can't read, student, adults. Are we okay with that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'll go to next. Why are they saying we are wrong? Oh, sorry. I forgot the slide 2 called reading. Insert the data, blah, blah, blah. Let me check. But that's slide for that. That's exactly what we've done. Or they didn't mention. Okay, let me take it again. So clustered column. So resize the chart data range. Okay. So I'm going to resize it to only include the 2 categories. So for the categories, students, adults. Then we have can read, then can't read. And we have to insert the data from the text box on slide 2 called reading statistics, which is here. So the data called reading statistics, I've got what, 80. Do I need to put percent? Okay. Then 20%, probably maybe that is why. Then 65% and 35%. Okay, probably because I omitted the percentages. Okay, so now let's move on. Next. So that was the mistake. Yeah. I omitted the percentages. Convert the question list in slide 5 to the vertical bullet list smart arts. So slide 5, we have our question list. And we need to convert it into a vertical bullet list, which is a smart art. So how do we go about this? Yes.
You said convert the question list in slide 5 to the vertical bullet list.
List, yes.
We go to home, right?
Under home.
Let's check paragraph.
Okay, within the paragraph group.
You have the bullets.
They said convert it to a vertical bullet list smart art. So the underlying keyword here is vertical bullet list smart art.
Smart art.
Yes.
I think we can open the bullet.
No, you need to
convert. We click on convert to smart art.
That is it. That's it. So under convert to smart art, we are looking for vertical bullet list, which is the first one. If it's not here, then we go to more smart art graphics to look through the list. So vertical bullet list. So list. And I'm looking for what? Vertical bullet list. I'll hit on OK. Boom. Now it's done. Are we okay?
Yeah. So that's home, paragraph group. Then convert to smart art.
Smart art. That is it. So this is how you can, give your slides an uplift. Okay? Modify the text box on slide 3 with a quote from Dr. Seuss by adding the shape fill gradient linear down. Modify the text box on slide 3. So I'll go to my slide 3. And we need to modify this text box from Dr. Seuss with a quote by adding the shape fill gradient linear down. So how do we add the shape fill gradient linear down after selecting the text box? How do we do that?
We are still on home, right?
I've selected the text box. So when you select the text box, what comes to mind?
Shape fill gradient. Still, is it on that font group now that we look at?
Look at it carefully. I've selected the text box. Once you select the text box, it comes with a contextual tab, right?
Okay. So it's the text box that we want to fill, right?
Yes. So whenever you select an object, what should be your first instinct?
You look for the here we have shape format.
So that is the contextual tab. And we want shape. What? A shape what? Fill gradient. So where should we go?
Shape fill.
Yes.
Under shape fill. Let's click shape fill.
Shape fill. Then we are looking for what? Gradient.
Gradient.
So gradient is here.
Gradient. Where is
gradient? They are looking for what? Linear down. Have you seen gradient?
Yeah.
And these are the variations. So linear down.
Yeah, that's linear. Yeah.
Boom. So have you seen what we've done to the text box? We've improved it. We've made it better. It draws attention. Are we okay?
Yes, sir.
Kalechi, Adetola, are we all okay?
Oh, okay. I've been speaking since. I didn't even know. I was wondering why you were not responding. It was muted.
You were muted, yes.
Okay, mine is under. I've been speaking since. I didn't even know. Okay. Mine is under drawing tools. That's where I find.
Oh, okay.
So drawing and then
Office 365. That is it. Are we okay?
Yes.
Boom. Change the print settings of the document to uncorrelated and grayscale. Change the print settings of the document to uncorrelated and grayscale. So where do we
go to your file, go to print.
File, print.
File.
Then you go to print.
Print.
Settings.
Print.
I'm looking for my print. Where is my print?
Just
File.
It's not a file.
It's under
print. Yes, print. And we need to change the print settings of the document to what? Uncorrelated and grayscale, right?
Correlated.
So correlated drop down. Uncorrelated. Then grayscale. Grayscale. Done. Okay, so let's continue. On slide 4, apply the table hierarchy layout and the subtle effect style to the smart art. On slide 4, apply the table hierarchy layout and the subtle effect style to the smart art. So slide 4, we need to apply the table hierarchy layout. So how do we apply layout to our slides? So this is our smart art. We are applying it to the smart art. So how do we apply the table hierarchy layout and the subtle effect style to the smart art?
You go to your picture format.
Okay, format. We have format, we have smart art design.
No, format. Picture format.
No, we are working with the smart art.
We are working with the smart art.
So
smart art design. Then you see change layout is here.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you need to look for table hierarchy.
Table hierarchy.
So I need to go through and look for table hierarchy. Horizontal. Horizontal. Where's my table?
It's later. The picture layout.
Table list, segmented, vertical, pyramid, target list, hierarchy list, vertical, table hierarchy.
That's it.
Found it, yeah. And we need to apply the subtle effect style to the smart art. So subtle effect. Where do I go?
We are still on smart
art style. Yes.
Yeah, so click on
subtle effect. Simple, white outline, subtle effect.
Yeah.
Are we okay?
Yeah.
Good. So
mine is totally different. Totally different.
So on slide 2, are we okay?
Yeah.
On slide 2, change the shape of the video placeholder to the rectangle rounded corners type. On slide 2, change the shape. So this is our slide 2. And this is our video. We want to change the shape of the video placeholder to the rounded corners type. So what do I do?
Rectangular rounded top. I think we've done this before.
So where do I do? So changing the shape.
Format.
Video format.
Video. Crop. I think they said we should replace holder to a rectangular rounded corner style. So we'll go to adjust, reset design.
Reset design. Are you sure? We have video styles.
Oh, yeah, video styles.
Aha. So rounded.
Yes.
We are looking for rectangular,
rounded.
Soft rectangular.
There is something that has roundy.
Yes. Glow, no, rectangular,
No,
rounded.
I think try this one on the end, at the end of this. Moderate. Okay, is this subtle, right? The real subtle, right? No.
Let me see.
It should be, check on that is moderate.
I'm taking my time to go through. Wait.
Okay.
The rectangle, rounded corner.
Yeah. Compound, moderate, rounded rectangle. I don't know if it's this.
Let's see.
Rounded corners. Corners.
Yeah, that's one.
Rounded rectangle. This is bevel. And this is glow rounded rectangle.
Let's continue checking. I think we should continue checking.
Yeah.
This diagonal.
I think we can choose either of those two.
Diagonal corner. Moderate. Moderate bevel. Rounded rotated gradient. Rounded bevel.
Rounded rectangle.
Reflected rounded rectangle. So I don't know which type they want us to use.
They said rectangle, rounded corners type.
Can't we choose either of those two rectangle with rounded corners that
yeah, we can. We can.
Yeah, let's try it.
Okay.
Let's choose
blue rounded rectangle.
Okay. Yeah.
Let's see. Let me click on next. Okay, that's it. You got it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay. Add a section above slide 1 named Introduction and a section above slide 3 named SWOT. Add a section. So how do we add a section above slide 1? Named Introduction and a section above slide 3 named SWOT. What do we do? Where do we go?
We go to slide 1.
Okay. So how do we add a section?
Is it like a text box or something?
It's like grouping your slides into sections, just as you group your book chapters.
Click design suggestions.
Design.
Customize. Design suggestion.
No, that's not it.
Okay. Is this slide?
You can do a right click. Okay.
Okay.
I want us to look at this last two questions. You do a right click, then you say what? Add section.
Section. Okay.
Then we name it what? Introduction.
Introduction.
Then you say rename. So that's our first section. Then we go to above slide 3. Was all of these slides will be in the introduction section, but we want to separate it. So above slide 3, we're going to name it what? SWOT. So we add another section, then we name it SWOT. Then I'll say what? Rename. So now we see introduction, you can collapse it. SWOT, you can collapse it. So that way you won't have all the slides in your feet. So that is when you put sections. You bring in sections. Are we okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. See why mine is working. Mine is working when I click on that thing, right? That section of not just on the main.
Yeah, these questions, one have to look at the questions very, very carefully. I think what I saw was add a section to slide 1 above.
Yes.
That was why
Yeah.
I go to wherever. But the question is add a section above slide 1. So it's important that one takes time to read the questions very carefully. So that's good.
Are we okay?
Yeah.
And it's not just like add a slide above it, it's a section above
a section, yes. Are we okay?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Now we continue. On slide 1, add the cash register sound to the first animation. On slide 1, add the cash register sound to the first animation. So we have slide 1, and we need to add a cash register sound to the first animation. How do we do this? Where do we go from there?
I think you have to click on the
animation.
Animation.
So we need to go to animation. Then we bring the animation pane up.
Yeah.
So on slide 1, add a cash register sound to the first animation. So this is our first animation our animation pane. Are we okay?
Yeah.
So we need to add a sound to it. Add a sound. So how do we add a sound? So we have what? Effect options. When you click on the small drop down, we have effect options. Now we need to add a sound. And the sound we want to add is what? Cash register.
Thank you.
So cash register is here. When you play. Okay, maybe I should not have done that. Then you hit on what? Okay. So it will play the sound when the animation is in force. Okay? Crack.
Yeah.
Crack like that. So this is how you add sounds to your animation. Are we okay?
Yes.
Okay. So look at our final question. Then maybe I will let you go and practice on the practice exercises for the level 2. Then communicate to me when you'll be ready for the exam, then I can schedule it. On slide 2, select the word Fusion Tomo in the title and add a comment that says delete Fusion Tomo so that the title is SWOT video. So on slide 2, we need to add a comment, right? And we are adding a comment to the word Fusion Tomo. So from our previous knowledge, if you want to add a comment, where do you go? Where do we go to add a comment?
Review. Is there a review there?
Review. That is it.
And new comment.
New comment. Perfect. And what's the comment here?
Delete.
Delete Fusion Tomo.
So that the title is SWOT videos.
SWOT video. That's it.
Yeah.
Done. It's on next. And that should be it. Are we okay?
Yeah.
So this is just at least a preview of the PowerPoint interface. So you just need to sit down and explore the interface for your level 2 exam. So at least you have an understanding of Word, you have an understanding of Excel, you have an understanding of PowerPoint. Are we good?
Yeah.
So I'll stand by for the date for the exam, then I can schedule. Then we go through the procedure, ID verification, then you can take your exam. Okay?
So are we going to have more classes after now?
Yes, we'll definitely meet tomorrow. Then I'll try and see if we can do some lessons for the level 2. So I'll just sit down and plan a lesson, then we'll go through it. Are we okay? Okay, good.
So all these ones are like content creation. We are done with content creation.
Yes, we are done.
Okay.
Are we good?
Okay. Oh yes. Thank you so
Okay.
much.
You're welcome.
Yes,
Bye.
thank you so much.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.